Hey there, curious about your credit health? Chase offers a free credit score tool for many card members, giving you a snapshot of your financial profile right in your account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to check it. If you're eligible, you'll find it in your Chase online account or mobile app. Look for Credit Journey or Your Credit Score in the menu or on your credit card account page. This provides your Vantage Score 3.0 from Experian, updated weekly. Along with the score, you'll see key factors affecting it and can get insights into how your credit behavior compares to others. My crucial pro tip: use the score change alerts and simulator. Set up alerts to notify you of significant changes to your score. Use the What If simulator to see how potential actions, like paying down a balance or opening a new account, might impact your score before you do them. That's how you turn a simple number into an actionable financial planning tool. Do you check your credit score regularly, or only when you're applying for a loan? Share your habit in the comments. If financial wellness tools help you, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.